Central State University sophomore tried to find out the rules and guidelines for transferring credits for her school. She found out that they have strict rules on transfer credits. So, for instance, like if someone was to transfer in as a senior, they would be considered a freshman because some of their transfer, some of the credits that was transferred was not considered um, major and core requirements. The school was very inconsistent on what was considered major core requirements, like what counted and what didn't count, because some things counted and some didn't. So it was very inconsistent and confusing. And Lauren wanted to find out why it was like that because one of her classes that she took, I think it was a math class, she took didn't count. So she wanted to find out why is this like this. So she went up to the office and talked to the secretary, and the secretary said that there was certain guidelines to what was considered, and so basically she couldn't get the information that she wanted. So she left and disguised herself on the phone and called as a different person, asking the same questions about some courses. She gave him a list of courses, asking the same questions of if they were required, if they were would meet the requirements, if they would meet the requirements. Okay. And the secretary said that she had an unofficial cheat sheet on what was considered what would be counted when the transfer credits were transferred. And instead of, digging deeper, she just thanked the secretary and hung up. So I guess the problem is, was she wrong for disguising herself and trying to get the information that she deserves to know? I do feel like she did what she as a student she couldn't get the answers, so I feel like she took it upon herself to get the answers by any means necessary. I feel like if I was in a situation where I needed to find out that information, I would most definitely have done the same exact thing.